Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or low FPS issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So after you go to the library section, select your game. So the first thing what you have to do is to click on the play option. So the first thing what you have to do is to click on the play option and then select the game instead of resume from the latest save option. So you will get this option. You simply have to click on the play option and after that select the game to play it. If it's not launching, then you have to restart your PC as well as Steam once. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, now click on exit. Now after that click on the Windows icon over here, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back and check all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check and update the game. So if there is any update available on the game, so you have to update it. As you can see, here is an update option. You simply have to click on the update option. It may take some time and after updating the game, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So Steam users, go to Steam, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. Now if you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. So it's already been added. You have to add it. If it's not added, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Now next method is to update your graphics card. So for that you have to go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, you can easily go through the link already given in the description and you can update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties and under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem. If the issue still occurs, then come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list as it is not listed. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, add it to the list over here as it has been added. So after that, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to simply select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on End a Task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you will get an option of check for updates. Click on it and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. It will download Visual C++ files. Open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message, and now close this. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to change virtual settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select the game, select the drive. Now select custom size, and here you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Then click on Set and then click on OK. Now after that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Legends of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game. So when the issue continues, then you should reinstall the game once. This will surely help to get rid of the issue that you are coming across. So Steam users, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now after that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the Legends of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.